Okay, I now got that piece on. You can see this. I'm just gonna do a little spray up, and then I'm just gonna cover it up for the night because it's starting to get pretty late. Spray this down real quick. Get everything a nice little. Yeah. But I will try Tuesday, perhaps, to film a bit more on it. It's just I'm tired, been working all day, and want to go to bed. So I hope you enjoyed what I've done so far, which is absolutely nothing, so probably did it. But I will be back to it, and hopefully I get the car to run. And here's the rest of the car. It has some interior work that I do need to do. And there's, oh God, I keep forgetting the name of it. Your air intake. And then you have the filter back there. All my sills to do it. It needs a water pump. Oh God, that's not good. And it needs thermostat, which I know where to put it. And I'm replacing that in the next video.